Okay, so I had just bought this Ducati V4, and a lot of y'all may not know this, but this is actually my dream leader bike. I know I have the H2, but I don't know, nothing beats a Ducati. Anyways, I haven't showed my friends this bike yet, and today I'm taking it to the gym, or tonight, and let's see their reactions.
Wait, Andy.
Is it?
Wait, what?
Wait.
Hold on.
Wait. Yo, whose bike is that?
Is that a Ducati?
You actually
What?
got it?
Is that a red Ducati? Is that a V4?
Tell nobody. Let me whip that hoe. Start it.
Hell yeah.
Pull it up, pull the red tab
Yesterday.
up, and push the button.
This is first time riding a bike. Never see that shit again.
Oh, you're basically just laying down.
Alright, Andy, we're switching bike.
That's just you.
No way. 2v4?
Bro.
3-5-4, okay? Look at it. This 1 inch different right here. Look at his tiptoeing, okay? He couldn't reach the ground.
Fuck no. I was just too scared.
Heavy ass weight, bro. Why is this bike so hot, bro?